How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Hello everyone, in today's quick video I'll show you how to fix this issue. If you want to create a photo slideshow on TikTok but the feature is not working properly or is simply missing, then stay with me. This method will work on both iOS and Android. Just follow my steps. Open the TikTok app on your phone. Tap on the plus icon to create a photo slideshow. Choose 3 photos to make a swipe post. You should now see the photo swipe feature working properly. Now let's see how to do that. Go back to your TikTok homepage. Tap on your profile. Tap on the 3 line icon. Now tap on the settings icon. Scroll down until you find free app space. Tap here. On the free app space page, clear the cache and downloads. Now close the TikTok app. Now we need to go to the app settings. Tap and hold the TikTok app, then tap on app info. If this option is not showing, simply go to the settings option on your phone. Find the apps option. Tap on it. Then tap on manage apps. From the app list, tap on TikTok. Tap on clear data. Now you can easily make a swipe post on TikTok. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.